Hi, I'm Natasha, I'm Barbie collector, and today I open my very first vintage Barbie box. This one. And when I first time I saw this set in the internet, I couldn't help buying it because here two my favorite universes collide. It's McDonald's and Mattel. McDonald's, it's my guilty pleasure, and Mattel, I like all dolls from Mattel for sure, and it's my first Stacie and it's my first Todd. When I show this set to another Barbie lovers, Barbie collectors, they, oh my god, it's Todd. Yes, I also see him first time. And here is different accessories like cake, Happy Meal boxes, and we will see what else. Birthday hats. Let's open it. Oh my god, I like you so much. Oh my god. You know, it's very difficult for any collector to open. It's like, you know, time capsule, something like this. It's my childhood. It's I don't know. It's my really two favorite things for many years. McDonald's and Barbie and no. Let's open. Oh my god. Birthday bag and birthday card. 1 year warranty. It's good. What else we have? Ooh, shoes. I like when their arms bend like this. I don't know. For me, it's iconic. Yeah. Look at this. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. And her legs, I like the sound so much. Yeah. She's perfect. Like, she's not 30 years girl, like absolutely new. Yeah, she has earrings, pretty face, ring, and her jacket like this. It's short and like suit. It was produced in Malaysia, and yeah. Oh, for sure. Oh, look at this. 35 years old. It's elastic for sure. Destroyed, but like this. It's good. Next, Stacie. Her hair. It's my first Stacie. My very first Stacie. Also earring, jacket, beautiful dress, and yes, also her legs could bend. Oh my god, it's great. Her hands, it's great. We have cake. Oh, like this, plastic. No, also this elastic. And Todd. Everybody is surprised when I show Todd. Oh, Todd. Yeah. This Todd. And him legs also bent. Yay! Wow. And this head. They all have birthday hair like this. Yeah. And this one, no, it's nothing.